Oh, hello there. Is it time already? I suppose it is. Well, in case you didn't know, I'm Graham Wellington, the wealthy billionaire that endorses this show. And today, we have a particularly good animal for you. It's called the Kinkajou. Enjoy.
Dum da da dum da da dum da da dum da 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 dum da da dum da da dum da da dum da da da.
I'm Stu, the survivalist expert. You gotta stay in tip-top shape, this kind of stuff. So I'm working out.
Greetings! I'm Alan. Hey.
Hi, I'm Steve the Pirate. Scurvy!
Hi, I'm Penelope, and I'm a scientist. Yay!
Guys, where is Paco? Alright, hold on, I gotta go to the bathroom real quick, guys. Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Hold on, mi nombre es Paco. I like to skateboard. Oh.
Paco! No! No!
Now, before our quest, we are to find the Kinkajou. It is in Kingdom Animalia.
Phylum Chordata.
Class Mammalia.
Order, Carnivora.
Genus Potos.
And its species name, which meaning it's the genus and species name, is Potos flatus. It is otherwise known as the honey bear.
Mexico to observe the kinkajou in its natural habitat, which includes the Central and South American rainforest.
Vuelve!
That way!
We got tired, so we teleported!
Anyway, we're here in the jungles of Mexico to observe the Kinkajou in its natural habitat and possibly just.
Oh no, the native conquistadors, they stole him!
They took Stu, the survivalist expert. This will greatly hinder our project. Oh well.
I miss him already.
Let's take a moment of silence here. So remember old Stu.
Will someone please tell me what's going on?
Even though Stu got abducted, we're still going to continue our research on the Kinkajou in the Mexican rainforest.
Hope we don't get eaten by a panther. It's time to go look for a Kinkajou, but it's kind of going to be hard since they live in the canopy. But I'm going to go try anyways. You stupid animal!
No, don't kick it, that could hurt his bladder.
Oopsies!
You dunderhead! You scared away our research!
Well, even though this hombre right here scared away our Kinkajou, we're just going to have to wait a few hours until we can find it again. Because they usually live in the same area. It'll be back. They always come back. So we've observed that this Kinkajou lives in the canopy of the Mexican rainforest.
And we question, what does it eat?
So we hypothesize that the Kinkajou will mainly eat birds and their eggs at the top of the canopy.
And we predict that in our controlled experiment, it will mostly eat the birds and the eggs over any food that's provided.
So now here's our controlled experiment.
Controlled experiment! Control.
Alright, so right here in this casa, we got an egg, some lettuce, some turkey, and a wide assortment of berries. We're going to see what the Kinkajou goes for. I'm just going to lay him here on the forest floor in a nice place where we can observe him. Alrighty, well I've set out all the food right here, as you can see. We got the turkey, the egg, the grape, the lettuce. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this camera up in a tree and come back and check on it in a few hours. So just set it right here. I'll be back in a bit.
Man, I traded my Charizard card for the Squirtle.
Hombre, what were you thinking? That's such a bad idea.
I don't know.
Oh! Didn't see you there.
We just checked our footage, and now we need to analyze it.
So, it didn't really like the egg that much, did it?
Mm-mm.
It liked the berries pretty good, though. I mean, it didn't like the egg or the bird, but it liked the berries. So, I guess our hypothesis was wrong. No.
Holy guacamole, guys! While I was reviewing the footage in the treehouse where y'all are trading Pokemon cards, I saw that it sucked the nectar out of that flower, which makes it a cross-pollinator.
Oh! So it likes honey. That's why they call it the honey bear.
Yay!
Hey, calm down. It's just honey.
Okay.
So now we're going to teleport back to the treehouse to further analyze our results. Well, hey there, we're back at the treehouse to analyze our results.
Alright, now we're back at the treehouse, and we're gonna draw conclusions.
So, we've noticed that the Kinkajou does not really like birds or eggs. It likes fruit a lot, though. It's probably what it likes the most.
We have also noticed its 5-inch long tongue. Use it to extract nectar from the flowers. It also makes it a pollinator. That's a key adaptation.
We have recently been studying the natural eating habits of the Kinkajou, so now we are moving on to the predators.
We have made fake animals to resemble the animals in the canopy. We have a fox, which will double over as a cat, and a bird, which will resemble the birds in the canopy.
And I have a monkey, and we are going to interact these animals with the Kinkajou to figure out which one is its natural predator. And we mean business. Peekaboo, Kinkajous. What?
We have observed that the Kinkajou and other animals live in the canopy.
Observation. And then we pondered. What are the predators?
Question. Predators. Rawr. And we hypothesized that the fox/cat is a natural predator, but the birds and monkey are not. But we can't be too sure, so we have to test everything.
Hypothesis. Which one could it be? We predicted that it will most likely respond to the fox, since we hypothesized that it will be its predator.
Prediction. Fox.
And now it's time to
Test
the hypothesis.
We are now testing the hypothesis. We have tied a rope around the fox. When the Kinkajou comes along, I will pull the rope and see how the Kinkajou reacts to it. I'm now propping the camera up on this tree. And now we are testing the monkey. And now we are testing the bird.
We are back at the treehouse to draw conclusions. The conclusions that we have drawn is that the Kinkajou does have a main predator, and it is the fox, or the jungle cat.
But wait! While we are reviewing the video footage, we have noticed another key adaptation of the Kinkajou. It can turn its feet around backwards and run up trees.
To get away from its predators. We're walking back to Pocket's house from the National Rainforest. We are going to tell them of our findings from our hypothesis. Ew!
What's going on, guys?
Where have you been?
Oh, hey! Got captured by the natives.
How'd
Had
you
to use
escape?
awesome survival skills to get out. Kinkajou. I'm a Kinkajou.
Yes, you are. Let's see how this looks.
Hey, how's my little meerkat?
He's a Kinkajou.
Yes, he is. This is Popeyes.
I'll leave you weak, confused, cramping, sweaty, frustrated. You answer to me, and you answer screaming. If you get in my way, I'll make you explode. I am constipation.
Time loss is bowel loss.